Sister and I, we went out to eat at a restaurant called Miller's Fried Chicken. We thought it was going to be pretty bad, but in the end it turned out to be fairly decent. As you can see, it worked out pretty good. Here she comes. That's my sister. It's Bad Food Wednesday. We're going to try out a restaurant that we know is probably going to make us sick. Finally, she rolls in. Here she goes. She looks so happy to see me. Because I am a true gentleman, I'm going to open my own sister's door. She's obviously embarrassed to go into public with me, and I just don't know why. Nobody will get in the car with me. Very clear where to turn. We're at Miller's. There's a lot of cars here. Looks like there's people eating here other than the employees. We're going to try it out.
5-piece too? Yes. Okay.
5-piece chicken. Just brought in. Hot, fresh. Hot. Fresh. That's really good.
It's a nice.
Over there and got Coca-Cola. Supposed to eat it, don't throw it at me. Oh yeah, good. This is a 5. This is wonderful. I mean, the dining room is nearly full. Either they're young or they're obese. Miller's Chicken.
On the State Street.
Yeah, you can just... Well, that was pretty good. Keep going. This is where we didn't eat, and likely never will. And that's David watching it rain. So rude.